2006 Acura TSX. He's doing a Honda conversion on it, making it look into a Honda, I guess. I don't know, but it's pretty cool. It's got the original catalytic converter, then a resonator, then he added another resonator, then it's 2.5 all the way back, and we just installed this muffler that he brought. It was a Vibrant Performance, part number 1042. You probably can find it on Amazon. If we find it, we'll put the link in the description for you guys. Right there. Part number again, 1042. It's a Vibrant Performance universal muffler with a 4-inch tip. Came out really nice, really cool. We'll let you guys hear it in a minute. But it sounds like nice and deep. Sounds really good. Sounds good. Let you guys hear on the inside.
Inside the Acura crossover to a Honda. Let you guys hear it. Whatever he's doing to this motor, it sounds good.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new, baby. But you know